Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Excel chart with multiple stacked columns in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make Excel chart with multiple stacked column. Now I am select multiple data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the column and bar drop down menu. Now we can see here many chart. Now I am select the stacked chart. Select the stacked column. We can see the column have multiple series. Now we can see here 4 series we added. We make this easily. You want to change the style, layout or color, select the chart, go to the chart design menu, select the style drop down menu. We can see here many style of the chart. You can add it any style or layout. Now I am select this. Otherwise you can change the chart title. Click inside the chart title, then select the data and change the chart title. Otherwise you can change the series color. Select the series and go to the chart design menu, select the change color option. You can change the color of the series. Now I am select this yellow color. You can make the layout another, select the quick layout drop down menu and add another layout. Now we can see we make a 3D stacked column chart with multiple columns very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.